When aging power infrastructure to one of Canada's busiest national park destinations needed replacing, Alberta transmission company AltaLink looked to Finning to provide temporary power to cover the load during installation. Finning provided a 12-megawatt turnkey power generation solution that included on-site service, refueling, and remote monitoring technology, keeping the town and nearby resorts running at full capacity.
We're in Lake Louise. We're about 1 kilometer outside of the village. The project consists of 12 megawatts of diesel generation and supports AltaLink for temporary power during the reconstruction phase of some of their transmission lines.
So we had multiple contractors out at site helping out with the rollout of electrical and the installation and placement of our gen sets, transformers, all of our spill containments. And so it's been a combined effort of quite a few groups, and a lot of minds came together on this, and we're proud to see it coming through, and we're happy to assist the customer in providing the best power that we can.
It was our responsibility to do front-end engineering, making sure that we could manage all of their loads, as well as reliability. We need to provide a power plant that essentially would run 100% of the time for a 3-month period.
So we have 24/7 operations on hand at all times, ensuring that our reactive load bank is up and running and providing the power that it needs to supply a stable load on the system.
So we have not only just our operators on site looking and making sure all the daily maintenance and checks are done properly, but we also have a condition monitoring unit that's continuously looking at the units real-time back in Edmonton and provide real-time feedback to our technicians in the event that they see something in advance of, say, an alarm or a shutdown or anything like that coming up. So it's played a significant part in our reliability.
So in the case of the AltaLink Lake Louise project, our remote fleet monitoring or condition monitoring team has been providing an added layer of protection for all of the gen sets.
Technology is a critical part in any project like this, and only increases and helps with reliability.
So the fueling of the gensets is not only monitored by our technicians on site daily during their checks, we also have 4 refuel monitoring remotely the fuel levels in the 2 main tanks.
All of the generators and power equipment that power the AltaLink substation, which in turn power Lake Louise and the Sunshine Village, are all run on diesel fuel. So they asked us to help come up with a fueling strategy that made sense for all their critical equipment. With our monitors on the tank, they don't have to call us out for delivery. We just show up when that tank wires fuel.
Really comes down to reliability and how can we continue to provide AltaLink with 100% reliability and uptime of power. And one of the things that we've incorporated into the project is redundancy. What that allows us is if we happen to lose 1 generator on our system, the other 3 units online will still be able to pick up the entire load, and then we have a PLC that will sense that and bring on the next available generator.
There's also live monitoring of the units to see where they're at. We can then schedule maintenance intervals as needed. There is no interruption. All we simply do is change the priority sequence on our HMI and shut a unit off while another unit comes online and takes the place of that unit, and then we just continue on with servicing as needed.
This project undertaking really took into a lot of groups within Finning and really showed how powerful we are as an organization and what we have internally. And that's really what our team is built around, is providing solutions for our customers in a multitude of different areas.